Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is 2019. I just cannot believe it that it's already here. It's already like halfway through the month by the time I'm filming this. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got for Christmas. I shared it last year and you guys absolutely loved it. So I figured I'd share it again this year. Conor and I didn't do a whole lot of gifts this year because we had just purchased a shed for our house, and then we also purchased this camera that I'm filming with right now, which I absolutely love. It is a game changer with videos and photos, so I absolutely love it. So we decided to get each other just one gift. Of course, I got him a few more and he was mad at me once he found out I got more. But that's okay. I love gifting things, so we decided to focus more on gifting others rather than gifting each other. But I did give him a list and he gave me his list and we bought off those. As I said last year, this isn't about bragging. This is just because you guys wanted to see it. So if you want to see what I got for Christmas in 2018, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with is what Pixie sent me. I did share this on my Vlogmas video on the last day of Vlogmas, but I wanted to show it here as well. It is a personalized glow tonic. They sent it in the cutest box that was already like wrapped with a bow and everything, so I just popped it under the tree and opened it on Christmas Day. But I have this, I don't know if you can see, but my name is on there right here. And I've been using it every night. Actually, I've been using it in the morning as well, but it came with this little stand and some like cotton pads. So there's that guy. Okay, the next up is the Sephora gift card. First of all, I need to say, like, how cute is this gift card holder? It has a mirror in it. Like, what? Fancy, fancy. So I got this from Conor's parents, and it was a gift card to Sephora, and I already purchased stuff with it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got since there was a sale going on. I think I got one or two things that were on sale, and then the rest was just normal price. Okay, first up, I got this Way and Summer Friday collection here. It has the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, which I have been wanting to try for so long. And then it has the Way treatment mask for your hair. And then it also has a, what do you call this? Headband, like a white headband. It's like a cloth, terry cloth headband that comes with it. So I cannot wait to try this. I've been waiting to try it until I do this video. So now I can finally try it. Same with the other things that I'll show you. But that's that guy. And then this guy was on sale. I don't know if they still have this because last time I looked they didn't, but Ulta has it. And if they have it, I'll list it down below. I'll list whichever one's still available. But this is the Stila liquid lipstick set. It is their With Flying Colors Stay All Day liquid lipstick set. I heard a lot of people talk about this Bossy in here, and I really wanted to try that out. It has Fia, Bossy, Patina, Fiery, Rubino, and Vino from left to right. These are amazing. I have not worn any of these colors, but I'll show you in just a second. I got another color and I've been wearing the heck out of it. I'm not wearing it today because I was trying a different lipstick, but I have been wearing it almost every single day and I've been getting so many compliments too, and it lasts all day. So here are these. So they are a bit drying to your lips. I like this type of formula. Some people may not. They're not too drying where you're like, oh my god, I need chapstick. They're not like that at all. I don't think so, at least. I think they just last all day. They're kind of like this formula that I have on right now. Right now I'm wearing Pixie's Bare Beauty liquid lipstick. That's what I have on right now. And it's very similar formula, but this Pixie doesn't last as long as the Stila. So onto the other Stila liquid lipstick that I've been loving. This is, I think it's Forenzi or Forenz. This is the one I was talking about that is my absolute go-to. So the formula is just amazing and I love the color. It is definitely darker. Well, in the camera it looks pretty dark, but it's darker than what it looks like in here, once it's on my lips at least, but I'm also very pale right now, so it really like shows very bold. Next up is this velour set here. It has the velour lash tweezers and the velour lash glue, and then these natural, it's the Effortless Kit is what it's called, but it's these natural no trim lashes. And as I'm looking at these, I totally forgot I was gonna put lashes on with this. So, okay, I just popped on lashes. They're not the lashes from here because I wanted to save these because I'm really not going anywhere. These are just Demi Wispies from Ardell, but using that tweezers is literally a lifesaver. I use regular tweezers normally, but this has that longer strip to really hold on to the lash and really be able to place it super easily. Cuts down the time to put lashes on in like half for me. And I've also been struggling a little bit on putting lashes on because I've had lash extensions for so long. So since October I had them and I finally got them off. Taking a little bit of a break, but I'm sure I'll have them back soon. Saving lashes for like trips and stuff like that because I definitely don't need them. All right, lastly from Sephora was the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. It is a waterproof liner. I usually love my Urban Decay Perversion liner, but I've been wanting to try this for years now, like since it came out basically. I've heard really good things and I love it. It lasts all day. It's very similar to the Urban Decay Perversion liner, so if you have that, you definitely don't need to get this, but it's very, very similar and worth the buy for sure. I love the tip too, how sharp it is. It's as sharp as the Perversion. Just gives a super quick wing. Okay, next up is one item that we got from our friends. If you watched Vlogmas, you saw what it was, but we got this quesadilla maker from my friend Ashley and her husband Sean. We do Taco Tuesday with them, and they have one of these, and Connor was obsessed with it when we were over there last, so we made quesadillas, so we're gonna have to start up our Taco Tuesdays again. And with keto, I can't really have quesadillas just yet, but I'm sure I'll get back on the train. Connor has been using it non-stop though, so thanks guys. Okay, next up, I'm gonna share what Connor got me. I just gave Connor a list of items that I wanted and he picked from there. So this was one of them. So there are these rain boots. They're olive color. They don't really look olive in the camera, but they are olive and they are Sam Edelman. I have not owned anything Sam Edelman, so I'm really excited about these. I love the elastic and the detailing on the back. They're all full of fuzzies though from these fuzzy socks that I was wearing with them. And they are pretty slick on the bottom, so you'll want to rough them up. I just go out on the concrete and kind of rough them up. I kind of drag my feet on the concrete and then rough them up. They still aren't quite roughed enough, but I really like them. They are very narrow though, so if you do have wide feet, you definitely, I don't think they have a wide option, but if they do, you should definitely take a look. But they're pretty narrow, so I have a size 8 and they fit perfectly. They're not too short or anything, and I'm normally an 8, 8.5. But yes, they are very, very narrow. They still fit me really well though. So they are a composition leather outside is what they are. And then these are the Tinsley boot in the olive color. And then there's the detailing on the back. And then it has the little loops to get them on. I think I showed these on my Vlogmas video as well, but this is what Connor got me. Oh, and these are super affordable too. These were from Amazon. So I will leave all these links down below, but these were definitely not a splurge by any means. They were still very, very affordable. All right, Connor's brother's family got me a Blackhawks t-shirt. We love the Blackhawks in this family, so they got us that. I'm really excited to wear this once the weather gets warm, but I can throw a cardigan on it. We're going to a game in... Next up is another Amazon find. I'm actually gonna be sharing another Amazon haul soon, like usual, but I'm also gonna share a new type of video, including this guy and another guy, and quite a few other items that I already have. But I'm gonna share a different kind of Amazon video with you guys in the near future. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss out. But this guy is what I bought to match my bag. It is this wristlet here that is the Louis Vuitton type pattern. It's not Louis Vuitton, very, very affordable, but it is definitely a dupe for it. Normal Louis Vuitton would be a little bit lighter than this, I think, and then it would also have the Louis Vuitton logo in here. But this is just such a good dupe, and they have it in the lighter color as well. I have seen that one in person, and I know it's pretty close to the regular bag. I'll put a photo right here, but I gave that one to my friend Ashley, the one who gifted me the quesadilla maker. So this is big enough to fit like quite a bit. Let me open it up. It has a coin pouch here and then lots of space here on the sides. So it fits quite a bit. And if you have a smaller phone like me, I don't think I have my phone on me. My phone does fit in here. I have a 7 though. So definitely not a, I don't think a Plus would be able to fit in here unless you had nothing in it, but still worth the purchase. And I love this part here so that you can carry it. There was another option that had just this, but I wanted this because I love carrying just this into the store and it's just too cute. So yeah, I'll list both this one and the lighter color one down in the description bar. Okay, next up, I love these. I'm so excited about these. So I ordered these scrunchies forever ago. It took a little bit of time to make them, but I got them just after Christmas and they're just adorable. If you guys have seen To All the Boys I've Ever Loved, she wears this really pretty like satin scrunchie on her wrist. That's just adorable. I tried to find some similar to that, but I didn't find any that were like good quality. And these look like they're really good quality. They're not satin, but they're more of like a cottony kind of feel. Maybe not cotton. I don't know, but let me show you. They're still a good material and they're not gonna be super staticky on your hair, but I love the floral patterns and they came with these 3 colors. They have a bunch of options too, and they are all made to order, so that's why it did take a little bit of time. But I love that it's just a little tiny bow right there. I do have in right now, I've shared this on my Instagram, but it is a leopard scrunchie with a scarf attached to it. I got it from Shein. I'll link it down below for you guys, but I have it tied around my hair. But I also took the scarf and just wrapped it around and then knotted it in the back so you can see this. Let me undo this so you guys can see what it looks like without that. So when it's just this, you can kind of leave it like that. I think it's really cute, but I just have it up and tied. There's so many different ways you can wear it, and the scarf part comes detached from the scrunchie, so you can just have the scrunchie part too. So I just love them. So I've been getting a ton of scrunchies lately, and these ones I just thought were so cute. I found these really pretty satiny, like longer tail ones from Urban Outfitters, I think it was, that I wanted to get, but I just didn't want to pay shipping for them. So I might have to pop in store and see if they're in store, but they're cute just like on the wrist or in your hair. I think it'll be really cute with a bun up and just the 2 showing. Yes, I'm excited. I think we're on to our last item. Pretty sure. Yeah, so the last item is so exciting because you guys know I love coffee. Can you see what it is? And I use the same to-go mug every single day, and I always hate having to rinse it out. I'd like to switch them back and forth, but the other ones that I have either leak or just don't hold that much. So I got a new coffee cup. And if you guys don't know, Lauren Mackenzie decals, she's all over Instagram right now. I purchased this before Christmas and I'm so excited about it. But here it is. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? So it's a personalized Starbucks coffee mug with my name on it. You get to choose whatever you want here and then the color. You can't change the Starbucks logo because this is actually a Starbucks cup. So you can go and get 10 cents off of any Starbucks coffee using this as well. And you can even like mark whatever you're drinking. It is reusable. However, with this on it, you do not want to microwave or dishwash it. So with Valentine's Day coming up, I also purchased another one recently that's red, and it says, I didn't get like a Valentine's themed one. They have so many cute ones though, so I'll leave her link down below. And I think I have a coupon code too, so I'll include it right here if you guys want 10% off of these as well. They take about 1 to 2 weeks to ship, so if you were getting it for Valentine's Day, you would definitely want to purchase them now. But I got this one in the red with, I think it says lattes and lipstick. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get it. I wanted to get like a Valentine's Day themed one, but instead I went with one that's more like versatile that I can use year round. So I'll pop a picture right here because I think it's so cute. So it's just like a plastic reusable cup here, and then it comes with the plastic lid, and you just pop the lid on, and there it is. I've been waiting to use like all this stuff until I filmed this for you guys, so I'm really excited to like bust into all this stuff. So yeah, I think that is everything. So I'm so excited for 2019, and I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas. I want to hear all about it down below in the comments. So let me know, and hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time a new video goes live, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.